G'day folks, Adam from Ruslan Foundry here with a new product. Here we have our Lynton and Barnstaple inspired goods van. This is available in 16mm and 7/8. This example is the 7/8. So we have our one-piece FDM printed body. We have opening double doors. These have magnets to hold them in both the open and the closed position. Our roof attaches, yet again, with magnets and detaches. I haven't actually got the magnets installed in this one. Our door handles are a Model Earth door handle. I'll pop the part number up on the screen because I can't remember it. Your kit contains the FDM printed body, 4 doors. They are all identical and symmetrical. The roof, our standard sprung look axle boxes, and our standard coupling options. This one's set up with link and pin. This has been painted by me, which I'll admit I'm not very good at. You can order these via our Facebook and Etsy pages, links in the description.